The final module topic in the curriculum is maintenance. We will also be going over the planning, intervention, and termination portions of the module. We have now reached the planning section of the maintenance module. We'll be going over how to develop a success plan and also how to develop a vision board. Additionally, we will be going over what a miracle question is and how to incorporate it within your presentation of this module. As we have outlined what is to be expected throughout this module, we will move forward into the intervention stage. Similarly to other modules, this section will be roughly 40 minutes in length. As with other modules, make sure that the required documents are printed beforehand in order to aid within the maintenance portion of the curriculum. Those would be the My Success Plan worksheet, Miracle Question worksheet, and Vision Board instructions. Below, there's a link to the Maintenance Intervention PowerPoint. Much like other modules, this PowerPoint will again aid in the presentation of this module for the team you'll be working with. Like other PowerPoints, this introductory slide can be moved past once you and the team are ready to continue with the rest of the presentation.
What is maintenance? It's the activity involved in maintaining something in good working order, also known as care or upkeep.
Like other PowerPoints, once through this audio, there is time for discussion, and once discussion is completed, you may move on to the next slide.
Part of maintenance is setting goals and deciding how to best reach your goals. If you make a goal that is realistic and it is something that you can accomplish, then you will be more likely to stay motivated to make the changes you want to make.
When finished reviewing this slide, continue on to the next.
One way to help achieve your goals and maintain a healthy life is to know who your supports are. Supports can be family, friends, neighbors, or other people you trust in your community. Supports can also be organizations you are part of, like school or church, a sports team, or other places you gather for activities.
This slide emphasizes the importance of identifying supports. This could be a good time to ask your mentee whom they consider to be members of their support system. After discussion has been completed, move on to the next slide.
Together, you and your mentor will be working to create a success plan that is just for you. This will involve brainstorming to allow you to identify your goals. You will also be identifying the support that you have and how you plan to utilize it along the way.
This slide introduces what a success plan is and how we'll be using it within the curriculum to document understanding of previous module topics and how your team will be using them within their own life. This is where the My Success Plan worksheet will come into play. You will briefly revisit each module that has been completed, make a goal or identify an area of improvement for each, find resources that will help support that goal, consider existing supports and strengths to meet that goal, and also consider what challenges the student might experience when trying to achieve that goal.
Another topic that you and your mentor will discuss is called the miracle question. This is a way for you to think about what your life will be like after your biggest problem has been solved. It allows you to reframe your problem and see the various different solutions you could use.
This slide introduces the miracle question through a very brief summary. Proceed to the next for instructions on how to use the miracle question worksheet in order to initiate discussion.
Suppose that one night you go to sleep as usual. During the night, a miracle happens. When you wake up the following day, something exciting has happened. The problem that you are facing right now is no longer there. What will you notice different about yourself? How will you feel differently? What would someone else notice about you? Who would be there with you? Now that you have an idea of what it feels like without your problem, what changes can you make towards fixing it? What strengths and resources do you have to help you make it better? What do you think the journey to your miracle is going to look like?
Once reflection and discussion has subsided, continue with the presentation.
After discussing the miracle question with your mentor, you will create what is called a vision board. A vision board includes images, quotes, or anything else that will provide a visual representation of your goals and the path you will take to reach them. For example, if you want to grow up and be a painter, you might cut out other people's art. If you want to travel to Hollywood and become an actor, you might cut out the Hollywood sign.
In addition to this slide, the already printed vision board instruction worksheet will help with the creation of the vision board. For this certain activity, it has been found that it is easiest to complete virtually through either a PowerPoint presentation, a Word document, or even through online tools such as a word cloud generator. A PowerPoint presentation as well as a Word document might make it easier for the visual aspect versus the word cloud, which would be more word oriented. With the use of any of these tools, the vision board creation will be much easier and in need of less supplies. Some suggested prompts to ask when creating the vision board would be, is there a song that has meaning to you? What is your favorite quote? Is there anywhere specific you want to live or travel? Or what are some key things you want to be included within your future? Though these are just examples, creating thought-provoking questions that can be represented visually will help your team develop a well thought out vision board. When this vision board is completed, make sure you email it or share it with your mentee so they have the opportunity to keep and or continue working on it. We have now reached the termination section of this module. This module will wrap up with reiterating key points that the curriculum presented, which were 1. Key takeaways from previous modules, 2. How to make goals to maintain self-improvement, 3. What resources are available for support, and 4. What life will look like when the problem is solved. As with every module, evaluation will take place. With that concludes our review of the curriculum. We appreciate your focus throughout each of the modules that have been presented. Thank you.